Constipation is one of the most common health problems which affect more than 12% population of the world. Constipation occurs as a result of slow movement of waste in the bowel. As a result, stool becomes hard to pass. Baking soda is a great homemade solution for a variety of health problems, including constipation. First thing you need: 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Second thing you will need: ½ teaspoon of lemon juice. Third thing you will need: 1 glass of water. Add baking soda and lemon juice to a glass of water and mix well to make a baking soda laxative. Drink this simple home remedy every day in the morning. Baking soda encourages the air to pass comfortably to relax the digestive system. It effectively cleanses the colon and provides instant relief from constipation. The citric acid in lemon juice stimulates the intestines and flushes away toxins that build up on colon walls. Lemon juice helps flush out unwanted materials because lemons increase the rate of urination in the body. Baking soda releases salt into the body when ingested, so people on salt-free diets should consult their doctors before going to use it. During the use of baking soda, avoid calcium supplements and foods high in calcium, like milk, cheese, and yogurt. Use baking soda only until your constipation is cured. Regular use of baking soda can lead to a decrease in stomach acid, which can worsen gastrointestinal issues. If you found this video helpful, please support me by subscribing this channel. If you have any questions, please comment below. Visit the official website.